promise you that. Because with concentrated particle flow, energy and physicality being of a like kind, just at a different rate of vibration, one slower and one faster, if you focus that faster part of yourself, that energy from the inner world, long enough on a particular direction or in a particular direction, so we can say this is more higher conscious, this is more positive, you're focused on a certain goal and you're feeling good about it, it will start to, by law, have to bring itself about physically through people, opportunities, events. Again, I'm not saying it's going to materialize right in front of your eyes, but the opportunities to bring these things in will start to present themselves, and they can start to present themselves very quick. So understand that's why there is a delay factor when it comes to things coming in your physical for new bricks to come out of the Lego factory. You might start making new requests, and the first few weeks, the same bricks are still coming out. But stick with it. Ignore the sense data. Have more faith in your vision than the current physical circumstances, recognizing that the circumstances are just a history, your old energy is just playing out, and then will be replaced with these new things that you are focusing on. And one last thing I want to do that's related to all this is I want you to look at this example as well. And first off is to recognize that everything exists. Right? You're not, in a sense, creating in the sense of this thing never existed and you're popping it into existence in the sense of like now it exists. What you're really doing is connecting to certain things in the non-physical frequencies and reality, and you are drawing them in to your physical reality. But what you draw into your physical reality depends on exactly what we just spoke about. Where is your focus consistently? What are your thoughts? Your spirit, how is your connection to that source? How is your energy, your emotion, energy and motion? That is what's going to determine, that comes from the everything non-physical field and gets lit up by your attention and starts coming in. Now, one of the reasons most people, even when they change their thinking, get a little more positive, maybe exactly what they want or kind of, you get little things here and there, they don't get bigger dramatic things, is because they focus on too much. How we really want to approach this ideally, again, we want to be positive, we want to go into that side of the spectrum, but we want to focus on a particular thing you're really drawn to in the non-physical. We call this a definite chief aim, which was coined by Napoleon Hill. At the end of this video, in fact, what I'm going to do is give you another resource, a video, and this is something I do with clients at a very deep level, but I'm going to give you a huge chunk of it. Through this video, I'm going to link at the end to help you create a dream, a DCA, and so much. And what this does is it helps you focus on a specific thing in the inner world and non-physical so much that it begins to light up. It begins to have concentrated particle flow that takes it from this energetic and starts physicalizing it and drawing it in to your physical reality.